In this video, I will show you how to fix Instagram fail to send photos and videos problem. The first thing you want to do is long press on the Instagram app, then tap on the app info option. Here, look for the option of permissions. Make sure that all the required permissions are allowed. First select camera, then tap on allow. Now head back, then select microphone and tap on allow. Next, select photos and videos. Tap on allow as well. You can select allow all access or allow limited access. Then head back. Now go back to the main settings. Scroll down and tap on storage. Next tap on clear cache. Then head back. Now tap on force stop. Then tap on OK. Once that is done, launch open Instagram. Then head over to the message section. Now open any conversation and try to send a photo or video message and check if your issue is fixed. If not, then you want to update the app to the latest version. For that, launch open Play Store or App Store, tap on the search bar and here type Instagram, then search for it. If you find the update option, tap on that and update the app to the latest version. After that, open Instagram and check. If the problem is still there, then you want to tap on the profile icon, then tap on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen. Now, this will land you to settings and activity. Scroll all the way down and find the option of help. Then tap on the option of report a problem. Tap on report problem without shaking. You can tap on include or don't include. Then explain that you're not able to send photos and videos. You can also attach screenshots. Then tap on the send option. Now Instagram support team will look into your issue and help you fix this problem. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.